Now we have developed our HI to AI to enable us on a right intelligence and making the business decisions at the right point of time with the right set of parameters. Correct? So AI will always be there as a co-pilot. HI will be always the pilot. That's how I'll put it. So AI also touches all the business and domains. If you see, AI is applicable right from your consumers to the end users to everything. If you really think about AI, see, we started using Google Maps pretty long, right?
Correct.
But then have you ever thought that this Google Maps with such a great algorithms, how do they exactly calculate the distance to reach the destination? That's the algorithm. That's the AI.
How do you see the role of tech leaders evolving, or especially CIOs, CTOs? How do you see this role going beyond the primary functions, going beyond digital transformation with AI coming into picture, machine learning taking the center stage, and automation has already made its mark. So how do you envision all of this? And at the core of that is business. So what are your thoughts?
Okay, I will put it as a, if you ask me, I'll put it as a triple A. What is triple A?
Which
right?
is?
Triple A.
Okay.
So it's like accept, adopt, and adapt.
Absolutely.
Right? So it's accept, there is a need to change. It's accept the need of business for a new technology.
Right.
The need of business to enable their value by using the right technology. The second is adopt. You have to upskill, you have to change the mindsets, you have to implement. And the third thing is adapting, right? So I think these three things are very important for the new C-suite leaders. I would say they should be very, very agile. They should have a mindset of understanding that change is never constant.
Right.
You should be open to accept, adopt, and adapt. They should also be very focused now to know the business, which is very important. The earlier CTOs and CIOs were more focused on a technology part of it. But I always say now you have to have the business or domain knowledge. And that's why probably, me coming from a mechanical background, it helps me a lot of time to understand the business processes and the functions. Or when they talk about let's say they talk about a machine, I at least know what they're talking about. Because see, what happens if you come from a typical IT focus and IT background, you will be just focused on a particular thing. You would never have the wide horizon of knowing what's happening across and why am I working on this project.
Correct.
And unless you know end-to-end business goal, you cannot deliver the value. That's what I feel. Correct. So I think this is a mantra. They should be agile. They should accept. They should adopt.